Hello everyone, today I want to present performance management system for Sophia. Sophia is HR manager at Tower Insurance. So she is less aware about her roles and responsibilities. Let's start introduction. I want to explain the leadership approach, performance management approach, and coaching process for Sophia. And I want to also explain the influence of the Treaty of Watangi in Tower Insurance. So leadership style, transformational leadership style. Transformational leadership style focusing upon the encouragement of the employee, inspiring the employee, and as well as motivating them. So in the case of Sophia, transformational leadership can be applied because by informing the steps to inspire her, by forming the performance goals, where Sophia can participate, and Sophia will be in collaboration with the management to develop the performance goals. She will be inspired and she will feel valued, and so yeah, she will be motivated. And Sophia is also allowed by management to take the necessary strategies, to make the strategies and to take the necessary decisions to reach her goals. And behavioral approach focusing upon the offering the favorable working condition to the employee, and it can be flexible hours and conception, yeah, flexible hours rather than financial intensive. Performance management approach. Present condition of the Sophia's team have to apply appropriate performance management system. Performance management system provides the whole information about the performance of the employee. And in case of Sophia's team, excellence-based performance system focusing upon the continuous improvement of the employee. And Sophia is a dedicated employee and is less aware about responsibilities and roles. So management have to create a learning environment for Sophia, management have to give continuously feedback about performance. Then due to this, it will help to management to build the strengthening relationship between management and Sophia. So due to increase in communication. And next is coaching process. In coaching process, management what can do is they can give the example of successful employee who have go through the same situations facing by the Sophia. Then she can know about what the strengths she have to adopt. In coaching process, including analysis, so management have to analyze the outcomes of the performance, and next is prepare. So management have to prepare the objectives, performance objectives, identify performance gaps. So the deadlines of the objective is also included here. Conduct. So they have to conduct the coaching process for Sophia to provide the ideas to improve the performance level. Documentation. So in documentation they have to record all thoroughly performance goals. In follow-ups they have to review the process where they have to improve, then they can improve it. Performance management tool, 360-degree feedback. So 360 feedback is using by the many industries, that is providing that is getting feedback from different directions in the organization, in the case of Sophia we can take feedback from senior managers and employees who are working under Sophia. So we can take feedbacks about them, about Sophia. Management by objectives. So in this tool of performance management, they management by objectives. In this tool, they get the information about the performance level through the objectives. Self motivation. So understanding the methodologies of needs theory can increase my self motivation to lead the Sophia. So I have to know about what the psychological needs of Sophia, what the security needs, and what the belongingness needs, and what the esteem needs. So Sophia will be motivated if she feels confident with this performance management tool. Then she can boost up and she will work hard for improve her performance level. Obviously, there are some challenges me and Sophia can face during this performance management system. So professional challenge will be effective communication. So I have to communicate effectively with Sophia to explain everything about what the company goals and what the Sophia's performance goals. And next is a social challenge. So it's a cultural difference. Disrespecting the cultural difference. So next is influence of radio Tangi participation. So the management will engage Sophia in the process of performance partial where the management will listen to her concerns, and in partnership, management is a partner of Sophia to get the goals and performance goals and objectives. And in protection, the principle of protection will help the management to show respect to the culture of Sophia while conducting the performance management process. Opportunity or challenge in global context. Legal problem. So it is important for Travel Insurance to consider the Employment Relation Act 2000. So another one is strategy. Travel Insurance must ensure that the formulation of process of Sophia is made by following the provision of Employment Act 2000. So alignment of Sophia's and company goals. So performance management system will provide the instructions to Sophia to reach to success in performance management, performance level, and the proposed performance management system will help in forming alignment between expectation of travel insurance regarding performance quality and the performance level of the employee. Here is my references.
Okay, thank you. Okay, go back please to your performance management approach. All right. So yeah, I do agree that the excellence-based is going to be used an approach in order to create a plan, the performance management plan. So that will be the approach. My question is, what is your understanding of excellence-based approach in gauging performance of staff?
So, excellence-based performance approach is focused on continuous improvement. So, if management give feedback on continuous basis about performance, Then he will build a strengthening relationship between management and Sophia. So due to increase in communication on daily basis.
Okay, okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, now go back to your appropriate behavior. All right. Now, what can you tell me from what you have written in your assignment two? What are the two issues that you have identified?
So effective communication, first one.
Behavioral issues that you have identified.
So cultural behavior.
Cultural issue.
Cultural
right?
issue.
Which means
So
another one.
like Sophia have to adopt the culture of travel insurance.
All right.
Yeah, to work in
Okay.
travel insurance company
Okay.
as a
And so what would be if you are a Ross, what behavior would you want to show to Sophia in order to address the cultural issue?
So yeah, cultural behavior.
Yeah, in your case now, you are now Ross.
Yeah.
So how are you going to approach that? You know there is an existing cultural issue there. So how are you going to manage that when you are going to coach Sophia?
So what I can do for Sophia, like we have to collaborate in organization. We have to respect to Sophia's culture, and Sophia will respect Tower's culture, and like they will be. She will be respectful with Tower Insurance.
All right.
If she will get a respect for her
Alright.
culture.
Okay, thank you very much,
If
Manjeet.
there is any no discrimination in the culture,
Okay.
that's good.
And what's the other one?
Sorry,
That's cultural issue. What's the other issue that you have identified?
there is only one.
You only identify one? There should be two, right? Okay, anyway, that's fine. I should be able to see that in your assignment two. But your assignment two requires at least two cultural issues with the appropriate behavior that will address those issues. Okay? So you've done this today, Mr. Amanjit. Thank you very much. Okay. Be prepared well.